Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel Ada Payasam. Start by toasting rice Ada until lightly golden, then simmer coconut milk gently to prevent curdling. Melt jaggery slowly to form a smooth caramel syrup. Combine Ada with coconut jaggery mixture and stir on low heat. Finish with cardamom, ghee, and chopped cashews. Taste and adjust sweetness, and serve warm for a comforting dessert. Gather ingredients and prep ahead to save time and stress while cooking. Rinse and soak Ada briefly if dense. Toast slightly for nuttiness. Dissolve jaggery in a little water to make a smooth syrup. Warm coconut milk separately to avoid splitting. Crush cardamom pods for fresh aroma. Chop cashews and set aside. And keep a low simmer ready so you can combine elements smoothly without rushing the caramelization. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. Stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle. Its leak-proof design and handy spout make it perfect while standing over a hot stove or stirring pots, and it adds a small practical pleasure to cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by simmering Ada in warmed coconut milk at low heat, stirring gently to keep shapes intact. Slowly pour the jaggery syrup while stirring continuously so it blends without graininess. Let the mixture reduce on low until it reaches a creamy, spoon-coating consistency. Then finish with a tablespoon or two of ghee and crushed cardamom. Fold in toasted cashews and raisins, taste for sweetness, and serve immediately warm for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.